Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Lion here with Hydraulic Coding today to teach you how to start your own Python bot in Python. Your own Discord bot in Python. My bad, can't talk today. So basically, you're going to follow the links in the description. You're going to go down Python, the latest version for your OS. And during the installer, there's going to be a box that says add to path. You definitely want to add that to path, it's very important. Next, you're going to download Atom, and then you're going to install Atom Python Run. Oh my. But you need to install Atom before you install Python Run. And then you're going to go to, oh, you can see I already attempted this and failed horribly. So basically, you're going to go to New Application, you're going to make it, you go to Bot, Add Bot, yes, do it. Never share this token with anyone, it's highly secret. And then you can add a cool picture to it, to add my logo to it. And then you can go OAuth 2, click Bot, click Administrator because that's easy. Click Copy, go to Web Browser, Control V, add that in, there's your bot. Add it to my Hydraulic Code server, authorize. Do the I'm not a robot verification. And as you can see, it is in my Hydraulic Code server. But there's no code to it, so obviously it's offline. And that's what we're going to go work on now. So basically, you just got to go to Atom. Open Atom, and then what you want to do is you want to minimize it. My bad, I forgot this. Go to where you want your py file, go to New, go to Text Document, rename your bot whatever the name is. You can use capitals if you want. .py. It says it may become unusable, but it isn't since you installed Python and added it to path. And then hit File, Open File, go to where you saved it at, open it, and it's there. It's going to be empty obviously, because we haven't actually put anything in it. So first we're going to do is import Discord, and then we're going to import random. We'll use that in a later video. Then we're going to from discord.ext import commands. Control S to save as much as you want. Client equals discord dot client. And we're gonna do client equal. Why did it do that? Okay, no, we want a capital. I mean lowercase. Why is it doing that? Okay, we're gonna do client equals commands dot bot. We're gonna do that. Command underscore prefix equals, I'm gonna use slash in this case for this tutorial. Do client discord equals discord dot client, and then put brackets, go down some, then we're going to create the status and bot on event. So we're going to do at client dot event. We're going to go down, do async def on underscore ready, and we're going to do and close it and do that. We're gonna do await client dot change underscore presence. Now we're gonna do that, and then activity equals discord dot activity, but with a capital V this time, a capital A this time. Then we do that, and then type equals Discord dot activity type, and then do dot playing. You can also change that to dot listening or dot watching. Dot playing, and then do comma name equals, and we're gonna do getting coded. And we're gonna go under and do print bot is on, exclamation mark. Okay. And then we're gonna do a very basic command. We're gonna do at client dot command. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go down. We're gonna do async def ping ctx. And then we're gonna do await ctx dot send, and then put a reply in these brackets. So I'm gonna say pong exclamation mark, and then we're gonna go down and we're gonna do client dot run brackets, and you get your token for that. It's very important from here. Go to bot, don't reveal it, just press copy and it'll copy it. If you reveal it, regenerate it. I'm gonna regenerate mine after, so it doesn't really matter if you guys see it. So do Control V, and your token will appear. Control S, and then press F5, because with the add and run package. Oh no. Okay, something went wrong. 1 second. Okay, so basically what you want to do is go to Windows, type CMD. That error is something basic, and type in pip what the hell? Pip install Discord, and it'll install Discord, and yeah, should be all good to go. I have to replace my token quick, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so Control S. Now if we run this, it should say bot is on. Yep, so that's that fixed that. And see, the bot is on, and we did // we do / ping, and it should reply pong. Yep, there it goes. And yeah, so join my Discord, and all links to everything used in the description. Have a good day, like and sub, and yeah.